Tango man's beginner movement pattern. 4 walks taken to slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. On the next slow, you can make any tango shape. So from the beginning. So we have 4 walks, slow, slow, quick, quick. On the next slow, any tango shape. Man starts with left foot. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then the man takes his left foot back, making rock, rock, rock. Rock, rock, rock. And as you can see, you can make a quarter turn more or less with the rocks. So the rocks we would do quick, quick, slow. So from the beginning, man left foot, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and then the man takes a back step with the right foot, side with the left foot, and close with the right foot to the left foot, making quick, quick, slow. And that's the whole thing for the man. So he makes slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And nice snappy moves on the close. Obviously the girl does the same thing in reverse to the man. So the girl goes walk, 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 shape, and then she goes forward with her right foot, rock, 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 and then the man goes back with his right, so she goes forward with her left, forward, side, close. And that's how we make beginner movement pattern. Man's beginner movement pattern with music. Left foot, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay? Left foot forward, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Girl swivel steps in tango. These are a little bit like the swivels coming forward after separation in Paso Doble, which are basically knee lifts going across, knee up and across. But 4 very slow ones. Slow, 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 with a nice twist of the hips. So the girl will go slow, 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 slow. And as she does that, the man just rocks on the spot without movement. So the girl is not coming forward, she's doing that on the spot as well. So the man will go slow, 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 slow. Just rocking backwards and forwards with no movement, but giving the girl room to make her swivels. And that's how we do girl swivels in tango. Man swivels. Slow, 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 slow. Man swivels. Slow, 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 slow. Girl swivels. Slow, 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 slow. Girl swivels. Slow, 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 slow.